Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're here with something just a little different. Let me try to, there we go, focus issues, you know how it goes. Anyways, we're looking at a box from TacPack. Now TacPack is one of those subscription companies. Basically everything that they do is AR and or AK platform based with tools, items. I've seen stocks, I've seen forends. A lot of other guys that I know have gotten these. I even won one back at the beginning of summer, and I was impressed. They run $50 a box. There was a bit of hype for January's, which is this one. My information's on the other side, and I know from watching a couple people that you gotta open it from the bottom because that's where the card's at. Now, they did not send me this. This is something I purchased on my own. There is a lot of hype that they've been saying for February's coming up. Now, let's see what we got. Alright, now usually they might include a knife like this ABKT that I've been carrying. That came with the one that I won. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, so first things up, the card. So it looks like we've got, oh wow, oh sweet. Alright, so one of the first things I see is the vice block. Now I was looking at buying one of these for the builds that I have going on, but it already came with an AR vice block. That I need. So they said that's a MSRP of $15, and usually you can find them for, oh, yeah, I would say not too far off from that, 10 to 15 bucks. ABKT First Aid Kit. So a mini IFAK. MSRP of $25 for the IFAK. And yeah, it's actually pretty well full. So it's got first aid kit's must. Comprehensive kit takes up little space, nice, lightweight. Includes 5 each small, medium, and large adhesive bandages, 6 foot of elastic wrap bandage, 5 butterfly bandages, 10 feet of medical tape, antiseptic towelettes, gauze pads, 2x2 inch and 3x3 inch cotton swabs, a monkey fist tourniquet, pair of surgical gloves, scissors, tweezers. So yeah, $25 for everything that's in here, all nicely arranged. Got all sorts of crap. So yeah, that's well, minus that, but that's an easy fix. But always put a key ring on these anyways. So the knot was not tied too well, but nice Cordura Molly. That's nice. Then we've got the JE Machine Shorty Vertical Foregrip. Feels like it's aluminum, made in the USA. Get some glare off there. Made in the USA. They said that's $15. Not uncommon. Nope, that's just heavy duty plastic. Alright, got that. You've got MFT sticker, because there's a, oh, that is it. Mission First Tactical Torch Backup Light, MSRP of $50. So, looks like it's an emergency backup weapon light that has where you can mount it on a rail. So it's got a white light and a red light. Lifetime warranty, Picatinny rail mounted, the actual size. So MSRP of $50. I don't know, I'd say overall everything that I got was definitely worth the 50 bucks. So 15, maybe 25 for the light, 15 for that, 15 for that. yeah. So it's not too bad. Now there is, like I said, a lot of talk on the one coming up for February. I will be getting one of those. Let me know what you think about this video. If this type of stuff, normally this would go over on my outdoor channel, but figured, hey, what the hey, might as well put it on here. They do not provide these to me. I purchased this myself, and would I purchase this again? Yeah, I'd say it's worth the 50 bucks at the very least. I mean, you got probably $25 here, you know, maybe 20 for the IFAC kit if you wanted to do it that way, and then of course maybe 25, overall $75 to $100 worth of stuff. This I really did need with my builds that I have coming up. That'll come out real handy. Alright, so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I need to get rolling. So thank you very much for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Oops. Almost forgot. But anyways, stop by TacPack. I'll put a link down below to their website. It's $50 a month. You don't have to subscribe for every month. That's the nice thing. You can do it month by month, and then you do have to pay shipping, which was like $6 or $7 bucks. So overall, not too bad. I think next week I'll probably order February's up, and then it should be around the middle of the month in February. I should get that as well, and we'll see what we get. Hopefully, maybe a rail, maybe another nice SOP mod stock, or maybe an MFT Battle Link stock or something like that. I don't know. Those are some of the things that I've seen in the past. But anyways, y'all take care. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. If you screw something up, somebody could die. Later.